How to change your name in Louisiana. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Louisiana. Legal name change process in Louisiana. Cost to change your name in Louisiana. Louisiana name change forms. County Courts of Louisiana legal name change. We will also explain adult name change in Louisiana. Child/minor name change in Louisiana. Marriage name change in Louisiana. Divorce name change in Louisiana. This name change information is brought to you by LegallyNameChange.com. To prepare your documents fast, please click on the link in the description. What is the cost to file a name change in Louisiana? You can file your name change in any District Court of Louisiana. The court fees for a name change vary from one parish to another and range from $300 to more than $500. One should contact their parish in order to verify the necessary fee and be prepared to pay it. Forms required for a name change process in Louisiana. There are 4 types of name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally in Louisiana. Adult name change. Child/minor name change. Marriage name change. Divorce name change. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of the Louisiana courthouse near your location. The required forms for Louisiana name change process are Petition for name change. This document includes both a petition and a judgment form. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your district court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Sign your name change petition in front of the notary. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary public can often be found at local banks, clerk's offices, and other government agencies. Other documents required for name change in Louisiana: birth certificate, social security number, driver license. Marriage name change in Louisiana. Once 2 people have been formally married, they can apply for a marriage license, and with this license begin the process of taking on a spouse's last name. The marriage license must be submitted to their parish minister, often within 10 days of the couple being married. After filing the marriage license, the person who changed their surname will need to update their other accounts and identification to reflect this name change. Name change after divorce in Louisiana. In Louisiana, women can apply to have their name changed during divorce proceedings by including a petition for name change in their divorce papers. Once a divorce has been finalized, women are permitted to begin using their maiden name, even without a court order. Having a court order only makes the process of updating their documentation easier. In order for a man to revert to his original surname, however, he must obtain a court order separately from divorce court proceedings after the divorce is final. Make at least 3 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for the district attorney's office. Filing a legal name change in Louisiana. An individual can file their petition for name change at the parish in which they were born, the parish of their current residence, or at the Vital Records Registry. The clerk of court will ask the individual to identify themselves with ID and pay the required fee before affixing their stamp to the 3 copies of their petition for name change. The clerk will keep 1 copy, and the individual will take the other 2 copies with them. Submit a copy of the petition to the district attorney. The individual must submit a copy of their petition for name change to their district attorney. The district attorney will most likely ask for a copy of the individual's photo ID and take their contact information. Judge makes decision regarding the petition. Once the district attorney has filed their answer regarding the individual's name change petition, the judge assigned to the case will make their final decision. If the individual needs to attend a hearing regarding their petition, they will be informed in advance by the clerk of court. Once the judge has reached a decision, the individual can have their judgment form stamped by the clerk of court and taken to the judge to be signed. The individual can either wait until the judge has signed their judgment form, or have it sent to the clerk of court's office. Get certified copies decree of name change. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of LegallyNameChange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.